Today we are playing with slime, and this one's super glittery. And then we have the blue one. I can't touch it with my hand. Yeah, here's the blue, and then here's the pink, which is it has a little bit of glitter on it. And then here is this one. Let me get all of this out with my hands because. And then there's that bubble. And then we grab mine. And then there's those bubbles. We're gonna make a thing out of this. So we are making a little ball head. And then for the smile, and then for the lines, to make it exclamation point. There we go, we got a smiley face. That's good.
Okay, show me your fingernails. What color are they?
Pink.
What color were they yesterday?
Mint.
Mint? And what have you been doing all day?
Playing with slime.
So what did the slime do to your fingernails? Did they change colors? But you've been playing with slime.
It did not do it.
Really? Then how'd your nails change colors?
I have no idea.
Did you do something?
No.
Are you sure? Let me see those nails one more time.
Get my pinky through.
So, you see we have an original green fingernail polish, and we have this fun pinkish nail polish, which turned pink from the slime that we were playing with today. So here's the fun part that we get to see. Take a slight dab of fingernail polish remover and take this light pink one. This has got to be a science experiment of some sort, and we will figure it out.